In this video, we're going to learn all about how to solve for exponents in equations using logarithms. So here is a key formula that's going to help you solve equations for their exponents. It's called the change of base formula. If I have log base b of a, I can rewrite it as log of a divided by log of b. In this case, this logarithm is called the common log, and it is the button on your calculator that says log on it. So what we're doing here is we're taking something with some other base and we're putting it into the common log base, which allows us to do it straight in our calculator. Isn't that handy? All right, let's take a look at an example. Let's say I have 2 to the x equals 32, and I want to figure out what is this exponent. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite it in logarithmic format, this whole equation. Since my base of my exponent is 2, that will also be the base of my logarithm. Log base 2 of, the other side is 32, equals the exponent x. Now, I'm going to use that change of base formula to rewrite log base 2 of 32 as log of 32 divided by log of 2. When I plug that into my calculator, I'm going to find out that x equals 5. We look back up at that original equation, 2 to the 5th equals 32, so this makes complete sense. Let's try another problem. What if I give you 36 to the x equals 6? Well, I could rewrite this in logarithmic format. The base of the exponent is 36, so that is also the base of the logarithm. Log base 36 of 6 equals x. Now I can change my base. So this becomes log of 6 divided by log of 36, which when you simplify that in your calculator tells you that x equals 1/2. Plugging that back into my original equation to check it, I have 36 to the 1/2, which is the square root of 36 equals 6. So that makes sense. Now, so far, we've been working with numbers that we could probably have figured out by trial and error if we tried hard enough. However, let's take a look at this next question. 5 to the x equals 17. Well, 17 is not a power of 5. There is really no way that we're going to get a whole number answer at this. And that's one of the beauties of this strategy. You're going to get the correct answer even if it's not a whole number. So we're going to rewrite it in logarithmic form. So log base 5 of 17 equals x. Then we're going to change that base. So log of 17 over log of 5 equals x. Plug that into my calculator and round, let's say, to the nearest 2 decimal places, we get that x is approximately 1.76. Always pay attention to the instructions to see how many decimal places they want and make sure you are checking your rounding. That is how you use logarithmic functions in order to solve for exponents in equations.